Goodbye Zony girl. Zony. Nuo Zony boy nuo.
Here lies Zony Grill and Zony Boy.
Wow.
Sad news, Zony Isa Tapitong has launched, but I am sad, today the Zony has final. That's it guys, I have sad news, Platogan Story has final sign off and will no longer allowing any stations. Goodbye from Platogan Story over 100 years and Zony boy and girl. Guys, I just said, Platogan Story has shut down forever.
And Zony Boy and Girl has died. So goodbye from Platogan Story.